Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Open NAT in Modern Warfare 3 port forwarding. Alright, let's begin. First, you can use the Windows firewall. Open Terminal as Windows Administrator, granting it the necessary administrative privileges. It might prompt you for permission, so make sure to click Yes. Copy the command for TCP port and paste it into Windows PowerShell. Alternatively, you can manually configure Windows Firewall. To do this, right-click on the Start menu and select Windows Firewall or search for it in the search bar. On the left side, click on Inbound Rules. On the right, select New Rule, choose Port when the option appears and click Next. On the following page, select TCP and set up the local ports such as 3D74, 3D75, 27015 to 27032, and 27036 to 27037. Click Next, allow the connection, and click Next again. Enter any name for the rule and click Finish. Repeat the same process for UDP ports, providing the same port options. Next, you need to configure the outbound rules. Follow the same steps. Go to Outbound Rules, click on New Rule, set up the TCP port and UDP port. Once you have completed these steps, exit the Firewall app. The final step is to configure your router settings. Find your router's IP address and access the router configuration page. Log in to your router and look for the option called Port Forwarding or Application Forwarding. Enter the previously mentioned ports. If there is no option to select, it will default. If there is, choose the option. Save the settings and you should be set. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.